Hi guys, I thought to do a quick follow-up on my last video. So I have given you a few action items. First thing was to set a big goal, like dream of your best body. And if you're not doing that, you can look back in the past, and it will never excite you. You will never jump off the bed in the morning to do workout, follow the diet. So you need to come out from this 5-10 kg mindset, losing 5-10 kg, because you can't see that how will you look after that. So raise your standards. Second thing, I asked you to join the challenge. And if you're thinking that we don't have to participate in challenge, you are right, but look at the past. It's directly proportion that whoever was able to finish the challenge were able to make better progress than who didn't. Some people even couldn't start it and they are still the same. So trust the process and join the challenge. It's free. Okay, I'm not getting any commission on that. So today we have already discussed that two things, but let's discuss few more things that you don't have to do it. Okay, so you cannot mess, and if you are following basic principle, it may take little longer, but you will reach to a point where you will be very happy. Okay, so one important thing is all or nothing mentality. So people think that they will have perfect diet, perfect workout regime, and that day will never come, because we are not athlete. It will never be our number one priority. So trust me guys, just I'll give you a checklist. If you will be able to do 3-4 check boxes daily on consistent basis, you are well on the way to get your best body. Another thing, so just to add on that, people think that if they mess up on their diet one day, they go crazy, then they quit. Okay, so it's not just one day that matter. It's not a fast that if you break, God will punish you. It is like what 80% time you will do. So all or nothing, it won't work in fitness. Next thing is that superfood, healthy food. So there's no such thing healthy superfood. It's just nutritious food and non-nutritious food. So we don't have to be scared of few foods, but when you learn more about it, then you will learn that they are not helping. So that's why you can skip it. But you don't need to be scared of burger, pizza, or anything else. Okay, so they are less nutritious food, but every now and then you can have that. So I have sweet tooth, so I have hard time resisting that. So what I do, I drink Diet Coke sometime, protein bar. So there are tips and tricks I'll share along the way, but you don't have to kill yourself. It doesn't have to be miserable. You don't have to eat just salad. You will you will have same food, but in calculated quantity, so that you will have calculated result. Another thing that we should be careful, that eating too less. I know it will, if you will eat too less, you will lose weight quickly and it will motivate you, but in long term it is not sustainable, and you will gain back all the fat, weight, whatever you have lost along the way. So this is important, that we should not eat very less. So we'll discuss how much we have to eat. And last thing that we should be careful about, that checking progress. So that's the reason I want you to participate in the challenge, because every week you will be tracking your progress. So what mistake we do, that we only look at one aspect of the progress, is look at your tummy. Okay, if fat is not going from there, it means you're not making progress. So this is wrong. There are several parameters of checking your progress. Your energy, your weight is one of them, but how are you looking at the picture? What's your energy level? Maybe you have so much messed up hormones that first few weeks it will take to make it better. So everything will come together if you will consistently do the right thing, not all of the things. So guys, in next video I'll share my food list and my checklist that I just mentioned. But participate in the challenge and keep dreaming about your best body. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.